Hello guys, today I'll be unveiling and reviewing the Arnagar S8 Pro self-emptying robot vacuum. Before we get into the review, let's unpack it and see what's inside. The Arnagar S8 Pro comes with and mop support with 2 duster cloth, an instruction manual, 6 dust bag, ten mop pads, the unit itself, a dustbin, and 1 side brush. Okay, so the Arnagar S8 Pro has a sleek, curvy design with a glossy finish. The S8 Pro comes with HEPA filter, which helps in filtering out 99.97% of dust and allergens. It has a self-emptying function. This means you can schedule the S8 Pro to automatically empty its dustbin for you. The S8 Pro comes with 3 cleaning modes: room cleaning mode, area mode, and spot mode for concentrated cleaning on small areas. Adopts the advanced algorithm, S8 Pro can clean the floor more thoroughly and efficiently. The algorithm can map your home, and it will make full use of its sensors and software to clean the floor, and it will avoid the obstacles with the intelligent route planning of S8 Pro. The water tank is detachable, you can wash it with clean water, and the mop support can be easily attached. The smart dustbin of Arnagar S8 Pro has the function of the self-emptier. It is able to recognize whether there is litter in dustbin or not, and it won't be cleaning if there is no litter in dustbin. It will make cleaning more simple, efficient, and convenient. The self-empty base inside is larger than other robot vacuum cleaner. The cleaning knife of the robot vacuum cleaner is made of stainless steel, which can scrape dirt, and it's durable. This vacuum will now be put to the test in the field to see how it handles various dirt. To summarize, the Arnagar S8 Pro vacuum cleaner can meet your needs when it comes to cleaning as well as make your life easier. Thanks for watching.